Hello, I'm Rich Morris at BroodMinder here in beautiful Stoughton, Wisconsin, and we've just wrapped up a week of our second BroodMinder Global Summit. And we've had a fantastic week here with all the BroodMinder team members, about 10 of us. And among other things, I'm stepping back into a purely development role, and Amanda Stoltz, our longtime software engineer, is becoming the bee in charge.
Rich came to me and Lorenzo about a year ago asking if he could step back and we could step forward. And I've been working with him for 8 years and really believe in what we're doing and want to keep continuing. So I'm happy to step up and help move everything forward.
Yeah, and that's terrific. And Lorenzo will continue to shepherd the European component along. And yeah, how are you doing?
Well, we've been here for a week, as you're saying, having a lot of exchange.
Sorry about the virus we've given you.
Yeah, we're picking an American virus here, fighting with it. No, we've been talking, the whole team, it's been amazing. Lots of side discussions. We've also talked about the strategy, about what we want to do in the next 2 years, what has been accomplished on the last two ones. And yeah, we have a clear idea of where we want to go, and that's the target we had for this week.
So what's the general course that we're looking at there, Amanda?
Similar to what we talked about at our last summit 2 years ago, we had discussed how we have been more data-centric and we'd like to move forward and make things more beekeeper-centric. And we've been discussing new technologies and ways that we could further that even more than we have last time and keep going in that direction.
Yeah, over the last 2 years over the last year we've been launching about 5 new features or products.
Yeah.
BroodMinder, the plants, W5, BeeTV, and so this is starting that direction we decided 2 years ago, and there's still a lot to do, and we will continue on that vision.
Yeah, and we will remain, our goal is not engineers and scientists, it's really general beekeeping, and as we continue and learn more, it's been 10 years now, so we've learned a lot along the way, and we want to make this very friendly for every beekeeper out there. So we did a lot of discussions about that. So it's been a terrific week, and we all want you to remember every hive counts.
It was like you didn't pause or something. We both missed it.
Okay. It's been a terrific week here, and we want you to remember that
every hive counts.